I'm Ashley from Why Not Bartending. Today we're going to learn how to make a vodka cranberry, aka a Cape Cod. Now this is a very simple recipe. It's literally 2 ingredients. So first you're going to grab your glass, grab a scoop of ice to go in the glass. There's 2 ways to pour vodka. The first method I will be using is called a free pour. So that is when you use your pour spout and you count. The way that I personally kind of do the rhythm of counting is slower ones. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each second is about a quarter of alcohol. So this recipe calls for 1.5 ounces of vodka. Next, you pour your cranberry juice. Last but not least, garnish with lime. And that's it. That's how you make a vodka cranberry. It's also known as a Cape Cod. Random fact about why the vodka cranberry is also known as a Cape Cod. I guess it was a campaign created by Ocean Spray, which is a very well-known cranberry juice brand. So they called the drink a Cape Cod / the Red Devil. So now there's a random fact you know. So you can go up to the bar and order a vodka cranberry, or if you want to be a little annoying, you can say you want a Cape Cod. Now the second way, you can pour your vodka and measure for your cocktail. Now this little apparatus is called a jigger. Each jigger size and ounces depend on the type of jigger, but this one specifically, this first longer side is 2 ounces and then the other side is 1 ounce. Again, this vodka cranberry recipe calls for 1.5 ounces of vodka. So I will grab the said bottle and not pour to the top, but a little before. You can't really see, but you'll leave some space, so that's gonna equate to 1.5 ounces. Pour that in, and of course, you already know the second part. You fill the rest with cranberry juice and garnish with a lime. And that's it. Now you know how to make a delicious but simple vodka cranberry. If there are any more cocktails that you'd like to see made on this channel, please comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.